जुजु बेकुनरे 2021 सालत आसाम गभर्नमेन्टे विभिन्न डिस्ट्रिक्टत इविक्शन ड्राइव चालि। लामदिं रिजार्भ फरेस्ट एलाके चाकमागु थारायो इविक्शन गरा हियन। परे परे आसाम गभर्नमेन्टे थारारे देखा बस्ती जिनकी हजाय डिस्ट्रिक्टत परे सिदु बसति गुरि थुयेगु। हयको बांगाल परिबार जागानो नांगान सांगमाजी गुरि हन जिनकी हजाय डिस्ट्रिक्ट आन्ध्रा परे थारारे सिदु आसाम गभर्नमेन्टे बजे थुयेगु। কয়েকদিন পরেন্দি তারা পৌঁছা পাউন অসুখ বিসুখ অনা পরেন্দি মেডিকেলত এডমিট হইন্দই যেনকি সিদু লোকেল মিডিয়াত এজিয়ে গই এজানা পরেন্দি সিএন গুয়াহাটি হাইকোর্টত নজরত এচি এজানা পরেন্দি গুয়াহাটি হাইকোর্টে নিজে নিজে কান কেস রেজিস্টার করছে 2023 সালত যেনকি আইন বাসান্দি সুমোটো কেস হন যেনকি টাইম টু টাইম হিয়ারিং করছে গুয়াহাটি হাইকোর্টে সে তারিখ অক্টোবর মাস 2023 সালত দেখা উপস্থিত আউন্দে চাকমাউনি একখান চিঠি ভাদিলাক অনারেবল চিফ জাস্টিস অফ গুৱাহাটী হাইকোর্টরে থারা দুগো সমস্যা লন্ডেলই সিএনর 2 তারিখ 4 মার্চ 2024 সালত হিয়ারিং এলো এজো সে সালেন।
That's exactly what I was trying to indicate to your lordship, that if your lordship would kindly indicate in what manner we may be of assistance, we will certainly be.
You have to prepare
But
the report.
the
regarding
report
the
which has been-
discrepancies, if there are any in those shelter homes.
Lordship.
And certainly.
Lordship, there are only, as per the report which was submitted to your lordships on the last occasion, I have gone through the report and there are only 2 shelter homes which seem to be running. One is in the district of Hojai and one is in the district of Nogam. And Nogam is also only some about 10-12 families who have got together and they are residing themselves in a particular area. Whereas in the district of Hojai, where the actual problem had occurred, your lordships will take up the report which was submitted to your lordships by the member secretary Assam's Legal Service Authority. There, your lordships, it says that the persons have already been evicted, and the rest of the people who have now been, they're not trying to rehabilitate in that shelter home. The state government has filed an affidavit that they're doing the extra needful insofar as supplying them with all the necessary
Certainly they have got
details.
the affidavit, but what they are doing on the ground,
Lordships.
you can very well instruct this DLSS,
Lordship.
District Legal Services Authority, they can go and inspect the site and submit a report before. this
Yes,
court.
My lord, may I submit? My friend must have not gone to that place. I have personally visited that place and I have prepared a report. I'm quite surprised by the observation made by the District Legal Service Authority, especially in respect of Hojai, where I have gone and I found that there are 350 children, and this court took cognizance of the matter on a newspaper report because children were falling sick after they were evicted from a reserve forest. So, and there were no potable drinking waters and no sanitation facilities. And now I think during this rainy season, the entire field, they are in a open field, it gets flooded. And
You
the
mean to
court,
say that that report which is submitted by the District Legal Services Authority is not correct?
no. I have the pictures. I can even show the pictures of the
Latest pictures?
the last time when I went.
Oh, what is the position now?
Well, I can go in the weekend, my lord. I can go in the weekend.
If you can.
Yes, madam. I can go in the weekend. My friend can also accompany me. We'll both go together.
That was a situation when the PIL was registered, my lord. Ultimately, the steps have been taken and they have been
then
given
do
all
one
the
thing.
amenities. my lord.
Sir, Over has already offered you.
Yes,
Your company,
yes.
go and inspect the.
Let him, my lord, he can very well go and.
No, no,
submit-
you will
submit
also
where
accompany me.
No,
sir.
no, my lord,
Both of you.
I
Yes.
have some time constraint, my lord. Let him do, my lord. Let him do and submit before your lord.
I'm only an America's curie.
I have no objection.
No, ultimately, it's a PIN.
True, my lord.
Nobody's
But
personal
from-
interest.
From
Well,
my,
I'll go alone.
from the,
I'll go with my junior.
from the district
No,
authority. my
They'll
lord.
also accompany.
Yes,
Why not?
they can offer their assistance there also in their.
Yes, yes,
site.
the officers are there, my lord. They are providing all the assistance to the amicus club.
मेरे को बुलाकर पूरा picture ले लेगा। That's wrong. Today, yes, no. এখন দেখুৱাব পাৰে হেৰি আৰু আছে মই আইপেডত আছে এইখনতো ৰাস্তাটো আছিল ন বটম ফ্লোর
Ms. Chaudhary, you see, the concern of the court is as follows. This issue is a very disturbing issue because it has been brought to our notice that children are in difficulty without having shelter, etc.
আইপেডটো
So what we expect from you is you make an inquiry through the apparatus of the legal service at the district level. Figure out what is the ground reality in those in Hojai as well as in other places. Then find out what are the schemes available under LANSA, if any, to take care of their interest. And then give us a feed as to what would be the way forward, the judicial orders that can be passed to ensure that a proper mechanism is in place to protect the interests of the children. So that is the broad scheme of things that we are looking into. For doing that, if necessary, the member secretary can pay a personal visit, accompany Mr. Kaur as he is desired. Beyond that, we are not saying anything. And Mr. Kaur, you can also bring on record
yes man
your
it's a nice
findings.
drive all the way to that
No, that's all right. You enjoy your drive and whatever else. We are not concerned with those things. We are concerned with the issue, and we'll focus only on that. Who goes where with whom, we are not concerned.
Incorrect to say that what my learned friend is saying that the report is incorrect.
Hmm.
What they have said is that there is no designated shelter home.
it's not
Which is
shelter
what-
home it's relief camp
That is exactly
It's
what.
a-
in
it's
fact,
a relief
there
camp
is no
because-
designated shelter home in the district of Punjab.
That's the reason. That's the
Yes.
reason we want
They have
to have the
concepts.
perspective of the legal service authority. So
At the time
please,
of eviction,
please put it on
Lordship.
in writing.
Well-
And Mr. Nath, you may also obtain your
Lordship.
instruction.
I'll definitely. What
We'll
the-
see what is the way forward and what is the
Follow.
best we can do for the
My
children.
lord,
That is the sole purpose of this PIL, nothing else.
Lordship, definitely, definitely. Well, I'll get the instruction.
Learned counsel for the Assam Legal Services Authority and for the state of Assam has submitted that after filing of the present PIL, the situation in the temporary shelter homes has now been substantially improved. However, Mr. Kumar amicus curiae has contradicted the said position and has submitted that the situation in the condition in the temporary shelter homes, the condition of the children in the temporary shelter homes is not up to mark. Stop. Taking into consideration the above facts and circumstances of the case, we deem it appropriate to direct the Council for the Assam Legal Services Authority to take the latest, to instruct the
we can make another
respective DLSS, secretaries of the DLSS to take the stock of the situation in the shelter homes, particularly regarding the condition of the children, and thereafter submit a report before this court on the next date of hearing. In the meantime, the Council for the Assam State Legal Services Authority may also apprise the court regarding the various schemes of the National Legal Services Authorities as well as the state legal services authorities regarding the children. Will stop. Mr. Nath, counsel appearing for the state government, may also submit a report regarding the latest condition of the shelter homes before this court by the next date of hearing. Put up when How much time?
4 weeks. First week of May.
First week of May, ki whatever the date, whatever.
Gotcha.
With the approval.
Okay.
And you may also submit whatever.
Yes, I'll go. I'll inspect.